Okay, so now we're going to find percent equivalents for fractions. So what we're going to do is write the fraction as a percent. We're going to start off by using this first one. What you do is actually set up a multiplication problem. So you have 67 over 100. You're going to multiply that by 100% over 1. So that automatically gives you the percent. Now, we're going to simplify diagonally or up and down. Now, 100 goes into 100 once. So you're left with 1 there. So now you have 67%. 67 times 1. So that's 67 and over 1, or 67% over 1, which is just 67%. Now you could do it this way, or understand that percent means per 100. This says 67 per every 100. So this actually tells you the percent right away, because every percent is always over 100 or out of 100. So right away you know 67 is over 100, and this is 67%. So really you don't have to do much of this, but it will help you later on. Okay? So now I have 1/4. I'm going to do the same thing. I have 1/4 times, I have 100% over 1. So now I simplify. 4 goes into 100, because we look diagonally, see if we can simplify. 4 goes into both. So 4 goes into 4 once, and then 4 goes into 100 25 times. So then I do 1 times 25. That gives me 25% symbol. 1 times 1 is just 1, but we don't need the 1, so we'll leave it at 25%. Or another way to look at it, so you remember that 1/4 of 100, or you have 1/4 out of $1 is 25 cents. So you know automatically that's 25% of the dollar, or out of 100, actually 25. So you can, think money in terms of this stuff, and it'll help you remember what 1/4 is as a percent. Now the next one is 3 1/2. The easiest way to do this one, of course, you have this right here. We have to convert it to an improper fraction. So when you do that, you're multiplying the denominator times the whole number, and then you're adding the top by but you keep the denominator. So keeping the denominator, I do 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So I have 7 over 2, and then I'm multiplying that by 100% over 1. So now 2 goes into 100. So 2 goes into 2 once, and then 2 goes into 100 50 times. Okay? So then I do 7 times 50. That is 350. And then 1 times 1 is 1 over 1. So we don't need that. So it's just 350%. Okay? So now, moving along, we have 7 over 4. Same process, 7 over 4 times 100% over 1. So now 4 we know goes into 100 25 times. So 7 times 25, when we multiply that out, or if you had 7 quarters, we know 8 quarters is $2. So 7 quarters is $1.75 or 175. Easy way to look at it. If you have trouble with your multiplication, you'll always think money. So 175%. There we go. So now this last one. This one might be a little bit of a doozy, but you'll get through it. Okay, 2/3. Now we take the same process, 2 over 3 times 100% over 1. So now notice that 3 can't go into 100 evenly. So what we do is just multiply across. So we end up with 200% divided by 3 times 1 is 3. So now we need to find how many, turn this into a number that we can use. So this is going to be a fractional percent. So how many times can we fit 3 into 200? So I thought to myself, how many times? I got 66. Keep your denominator. So now 66 times 3 is 198. You can check. So 198, how far is 198 to 200? It's only 2 places more. So then we have 66 and 2/3%. And that's how you turn a fraction into a percent.